Hello kids, ready to do something super cute and yummy? Let's do a happy birthday cake together. Grab your pencil and let's go. First, draw a two big round eyes. Add the two lines on the side, look like a rectangle. Add a wave line. Now add another big rectangle. This is our cake base. Let's put a candle on the top. Draw a small candle and don't forget the little flame. Now add a cute smiling mouth because our cake is happy today. Now time for magic colors. Yay! Color the top layer blue. Color it nice and slow. Watch our pretty cake just glow. Kids, are you coloring with me? Say yes. Oh yes, blue color is almost done. Now color the mint green on the top layer. Color, don't stop, make it bright on the top. Yay, green color is done. Let's make the bottom layer pink and yellow. Kids, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yellow, dirty fellow. Oh, sorry. I'm just kidding. Oh, my cake is getting too yummy. Should we eat it now? Oh no, it's just a drying. Whoa, it's glowing.